Walking's a great exercise because you could do it the way you want to do it. It's peaceful, it's relaxing, you get a taste of nature, and La Porte's got some great parks. But I've always loved Fox Park. It's always been my favorite park. So me and the dog, Lucy, drive to Fox Park to walk. And Chelsea Trail was right there by Fox Park too. And that's another one of my favorite places to walk. I try to do it 5 times a week. I love the improvements they've done now. The roads getting done and, the parking and they're making it easier with it being all over town. You can find a trail pretty close to you anywhere now, so I love seeing the park being used like that. And it's something that everybody can use.
I walk at least 2 miles a day. I overcame some really serious health issues, and I started walking short distances. I love being outside, and I usually take our grandson or a dog, and it's helped me tremendously. Our parks are beautiful. We have lakes, we have trails, they have woods, they have everything.
At Red Mill, where we frequent most often, there's several paths that, longer in length or shorter than exercise equipment and things like that right there. And I take my grandson a couple times a week to the play area. He's 4 years old, and he thought that was just something. It makes you feel good, a little bit of fresh air, and parking is right there.
The park's awesome, has great trails. They're really in nice condition, and they're very interesting, and I would encourage everyone to at least go check them out.
I describe pickleball as in between ping pong and tennis, in a smaller version of tennis, and you use a paddle and you use a small wiffle ball. And it's a sport you can probably learn in 15 to 30 minutes just to learn how to play.
There are lots of people here that remember what it's like to come on a court for the first time and to not know how to play pickleball and just be so excited to learn from people that are kind and gracious enough to do that. So I'm pretty proud to say that definitely exists here.
The Healthcare Foundation is a gem because not only are they making a financial investment in our community with a health-related aspect, but they're also just changing people's lives. And to me, that's amazing what they've been able to do.
You can play at any level that you want to, and it's just so much fun. Don't miss out on the fun. Come out and try.
One thing about the mountain biking community, I would say, is the camaraderie. For the most part, it's a lot of good people who are gonna take care of everybody else, And our trail, it's about 8 miles long, and we touch on just about every aspect of mountain biking to some degree, from beginner to advanced. And we're in the city of La Porte. There's roads a few feet almost always from you, but you can feel like you're lost in the woods. We are all volunteer workers on that trail, and materials are expensive. And we made do through the years with personal donations and so on. So I can't say enough about the Healthcare Foundation. That was fantastic, and it helped not only rebuild some of the older features, but even put in a few newer features to help make the trail even more popular. So it's been huge in many aspects. I was born and raised here, and there's year-round, there's something you could be doing out there in this city. And the Healthcare Foundation is one avenue or resource to use to make something happen, right?